Alright, so in today's video, we will be going over how to go from a parent parabola to a new parabola with any equation you can get, but we're going to be using this specific equation for now. Y equals -2, opening bracket, x minus 3, closing bracket, to the power of 2 plus 4. Alright, so a parent parabola is basically a parabola that always starts at the vertex of 0, 0, and it goes out by 2 and up by 1, and it keeps on. Then next one is out by 1 and up by 3. Then it keeps on repeating that process, and same with the other side. It's unlimited, but I cut it off here to keep it short. So first thing we'll be doing to get our new parabola is finding the a value, and the a value can be found in the equation at like the first number that comes up. It could be negative, positive, any number. So since our a value currently in this equation is negative, we will be flipping our parent parabola across the x-axis, reflecting it. Then you need to also stretch it or compress it by 2. You compress the parabola only if the a value is between 0 and 1, or -0 and -1. But if it's stretched, it'll be any number other than that. So over here, it's the number is -2, and I use Desmos to see where I would put the points if the a value was -2, and you could also use that. So now for the h value, the h value could be found in this bracket, and it's used to translate the parabola left and right. So since our parabola or h value is positive, the parabola needs to be translated 3 units to the right. So like over here, we just translated it 1, 2, 3, really simple, and that's how it's done. But if the h value was a negative, then it would go to the other side, 1, 2, 3. And for the last value in our new parabola, it's the k value. This can be found at the very end of your equation. So when the k value is used to translate your parabola up and down, so the k right now our k value is +4, so it would be translated up by 4 units, and if it was negative, then it would go down by 4 units. But since we have 4, our parabola is over here right now. Now we need to go up by 4, so we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get to our spot. And now you do that with every single point, and you should get that. So this is the final parabola after going from the parent parabola to this with using this equation. And we will also be going over the main features. So first, you got the direction of opening on your parabola, which mine is opening downwards because like it's open at the bottom. And you also got to go over the vertex, which is the tip of your parabola, which mine is 3/4. And you also got to include your axis of symmetry, which is where your parabola is symmetrical, and mine is on the x-axis, it's on 3. And you also got to include your optimal value, which is located on the y-axis, and it's where the y-axis crosses the tip of your thing, or like, yeah. And mine is y equals 4. And you also got to include your x-intercepts, which I have 2, but I won't be going over that. And you also got to include your y-intercepts as a main feature, but I don't have any y-intercepts on my thing. Alright, and that's it.